What's up, guys? It's Ricky here, and I just wanted to do this quick video, show you guys what I do for a living here. So here we got a brand new $70,000 Super Duty. And as you can see, the bed is off of it. What we're doing is we are installing a fifth wheel hitch on this thing. You guys see it there? The bed up in the air. Some of you might see this and be like, oh my goodness, what the hell are you doing? But what?
I don't think that's how you're supposed to do the oil change, Bubba.
That's exactly how you do the oil change. How else do you do the oil change?
I'm not sure that's how it works.
Isn't that how you do the oil change? I thought so. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you what I was doing. All right? On a regular basis, this is what I do. And believe it or not, this is one of the easier jobs. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys later.